Setting up free shipping on Shopify is simple and can be done through your Shopify admin dashboard. Here's how. Access shipping settings. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to Settings, Shipping. Create a shipping zone. If you haven't already set up shipping zones, create one by clicking on Create Shipping Zone and entering the relevant details, such as the zone name and countries covered. Edit shipping zone. Click on Edit next to the shipping zone where you want to offer free shipping. Add free shipping rate. In the shipping rate section, click on Add Rate and select free shipping from the drop-down menu. Configure free shipping. Specify the conditions for free shipping, such as minimum order value or specific products eligible for free shipping. You can choose to offer free shipping on all orders or only on orders that meet certain criteria. Save changes. Once you've configured the free shipping rate, click on Save to apply the changes. Test and review. After setting up free shipping, place a test order to ensure that free shipping is applied correctly at checkout. Review the shipping settings periodically to make any necessary adjustments.